Hi everyone, today we'll use this microwave transformer as audio filter for this subwoofer, and this is just what happens video. It's not something I do usually, so yeah, I will power them with this old Alpine amplifier. Actually, I'm using this amplifier for my subwoofer, and now it's set it to off. For here have a filter. Normally I use this LP here, which means probably low profile for low frequency, and I set it here for my subwoofer. And now it's off, and I will play some music with it off, and after that I will put it back to LP, and after I will show you how it sounds with filter and without. I will wire the transformer and show you what happens and how it sounds. And now I'm using just this subwoofer wired to my amplifier. So yeah, just here. This is with filter off. Now I will turn on the filter. This is how it sounds with LP filter on. And now I turn it off back. For a better comparison, I will use the first part of the song, and now I will take the cable from here and set it through the transformer. And for this amplifier is designed for 4 ohms, and my subwoofer is at 4 ohms, and this microwave transformer actually have almost the same value. And yeah, I know that's pure impedance, but in today's case this thing can matter. But firstly I want to show you what sound I can get if the transformer load isn't here. Actually, I will arch it a little bit and make some shorts, and here are the cables. But firstly I want to increase the volume on my amplifier, and yeah, just hear how this sounds without the cable in short from the transformer, just with transformer as a filter. And now you can see some sparks here, probably, but I can see them. Okay, as a fan thing, now, actually as a fan, not a fan, but yeah, now I noticed something. When I have some load on the secondary from the transformer, this works normal. I mean, it don't work like a good filter, for it's not designed for this, but it works as a filter, but not the best. But the thing I can clearly see is that the high frequencies are stopped to my transformer, and my transformer's playing them. And that's something new for me, for I didn't notice that before in all my projects that I done until now. But now I just saw this. My transformer is playing the high frequency and the subwoofer is not playing them, but only when this here is shorted. If I'm leaving it in this way, subwoofer will play that frequencies. So yeah, that's impressive. Now I have two small light bulbs, but I can't really remember which one is working, which one isn't. Probably this one is working. Probably it's working, probably not. I will find out now. I want to see if this thing can power my my light bulb, and for this I will turn off this light, for I don't need it. Probably this isn't good, for I already have used the wire, so probably this one is the new one. I'm not sure, for I already blew up one, and yeah, I want to hear if there is any difference from the first time without any load, and in this way with a small load on my micro transformer. If you like this video, you can make me to see that by pressing the like button and probably leaving some comments, for they are helping me to get more views. But if you like this video, I will try to do the very same thing, but with another light bulbs. Now I'm using these 12 volts light bulbs from some Christmas lights, where I have here this thing. I already have a video film with this one, but I'm not sure if this is posted when this video will be published. But yeah, I hope it is. So let's start. Now my amplifier volume is set to minimum level, so yeah, I will slowly increase the volume. Okay, now I suspect my light bulb. Okay, I clearly saw something. Some spark inside of this light bulb, so that probably means this light bulb was broken, and judging how this is looking, it's probably to be broken. So I will find the good one, and I will try firstly this one. For it entered in short, and yeah, nothing very special. And I'm preparing a special video with these things, but I can't film it today, and I'm filming this one today, and another day I will film it. So yeah. Okay, this one seems to be working, and I really love how this light bulb looks when it's underpowered. But let's try to overpower it. For normally in this way my transformer creates some high voltage, but now with this song I don't know how efficient this voltage is created, and how this is going for. It's not a stable frequency how it should be for a transformer. Oh, okay, it works. And it blew up. Okay, now I want to see another thing. Actually this video is kinda long, but I want to see another thing. Oh, this light bulb is warm. I want to wire this kind of light bulb, another one, directly from my amplifier to my subwoofer, and I will go to LP mode, to just using the filtered power from my amplifier. Okay, now I connected this light bulb directly to my subwoofer, and as you can see here, it already started glowing. For this amplifier can provide some power. Okay, this thing will probably be better if I'm using just a straight sine wave, not a song. So I'm going to play. Firstly, I want to play a high frequency noise, but it don't, since it works, since my filter is powered on, actually set it for a value. Now this is closer from what I set in the filter, but I need to reduce a little bit the volume for I'm going down to 60 Hertz. Okay. And now I'm hoping my camera will focus to the light bulb. And I want to stay with it in this way to actually warm it a little bit. And I already done a stress test with these light bulbs, but yeah, why not? And you will probably hear me a little bit distortion from for here. My subwoofer is also making some noise, so yeah. Oh my gosh, something happens inside of this bulb. For it deformed too much, not a little bit. Oh my gosh, how this is looking now. Sorry for I'm recording this with the shit camera, but look how this is looking now. Actually, it's looking more pretty. And it smells horrible. But not that bad for it's not kind of a big thing. But I will try. Oh my gosh, how this is looking. I'll keep it in this way to is better. Yeah, I don't think, but in this way we probably can see some smoke when if it appears. And yeah, the light bulb is not doing these moves from itself. I'm giving to it a little bit more power from my. Oh my gosh, that scared the shit out of me. That's the thing I'm saying it enters in a short mode. For these light bulbs usually have something inside. If one breaks, to don't break the entire circuit, have a small thing to do this, and it just shorted the entire circuit straight to my subwoofer. And it's kind of fun. It already cooled down, but yeah, it looked better for several seconds. I don't want to open it for I will do here just pieces of glass, and I don't want that. But I hope you liked the video, and see you next time.